So, second predictions for Sunday night. You feel me? One La Liga and one Premier League. Let's go to La Liga first. Why the fuck do I want to say Serie A? Real Madrid versus Barcelona. Now listen, bro. Listen. Not anything can happen. Anything can happen type shit. Real Madrid can win, Barca can win. Anything can happen. They can draw also. But the thing is, bro, Lewandowski is not there. Rafinha is not there. Olmo is not there. Gavi is not there. Ter Stegen is not there. Bruh, half majority of Barcelona's attack is not there. What they used to play against Real Madrid in the previous season type shit. You feel me? So it's going to be hard a little for Barcelona type shit. You feel me? And then another thing I want to say is, why the fuck was Lamine Yamal in so many podcasts and fucking Volta street matches during the week if he's playing El Clasico this upcoming Sunday type shit? You feel me? So the players, bro, I don't know what's happening, bro. Maybe they want Lamine Yamal to have all the attention type shit. But with us being said, bro, I feel like Real Madrid, Lamine Yamal already made them heat it up type shit. You feel me? So with that being said, bro, I feel like Real Madrid's gonna fucking target Lamine Yamal, first of all. Not let him get any goals type shit. And I feel like this game is gonna be a close score, bro. I am expecting a lot of goals, right? But I feel like the goal difference is gonna be by 1 goal type shit. You feel me? So with that being said, bro, my prediction for Sunday night type shit. Real Madrid versus Barcelona. I'm expecting Real Madrid to win Barcelona with a cool 3-2. Y'all can say what y'all want, bro, but that's my prediction. I just have a feeling, bro. But I feel like Real Madrid does have a potential to win Barcelona with a 1 goal difference. I mean, y'all can make the opposite prediction. Y'all can make the opposite bet. But I have a feeling that Real Madrid has potential type shit. You feel me? Then the second game, I'm not going to talk too much about that game because it's already heated. The second game is Everton versus Spurs. I ain't okay, bro. I would have gone with Spurs. But Everton on home turf against Spurs, Everton is flipping amazing, bro. Their past results, they have been holding Spurs back type shit. You feel me? So I'm expecting Everton to do the same. Especially if they're desperate for points type shit. You feel me? So with that being said, bro, Everton versus Spurs. I'm expecting a tough game, but I ain't expecting no team to win no team. I'm expecting this game to end up with a cool 2-2 or a 1-1 draw type shit. You feel me? So the first game, Real Madrid versus Barcelona. I got Real Madrid. Everton versus Spurs. I got the draw type shit. You feel me? We're gonna see what happens set Sunday night, bro. Anything can happen type shit.